So, what is it that you really want from your business? Do you want to grow into the high six figures? Do you have a vision of really wanting to grow into maybe the seven figures or beyond? Whatever it is, why aren't you there right now? What's standing in your way? My guess is, on some level, you're being the bottleneck to the very thing that you know you want. And I'm not saying you're doing it on purpose. I'm not saying you even know that you're doing it. Because half of the time, actually most of the time, the reason why we're not getting the level of results we want in our business is because we're the bottleneck and we don't even know it. I'm Melanie Benson Strick, and I've been working with entrepreneurs who are growing into the high six figures and beyond for many years. And what I have found is there's some pretty common reasons why people get stuck, why they hit their ceiling, why they, can't bust through this wall that is holding them back, and they're getting frustrated, they're demoralized, they feel like, why can't I do this? Or they build something really big and amazing and they found out they don't like running what they built. They're burned out and they're frustrated and they feel like they've lost that loving feeling with their business. Here's the thing. You can't build a business that is scalable and bigger than you with the same strategies that got you where you are today. It's just not going to happen. But you don't know how to grow beyond where you are today because this is what you're good at. And what I'm good at is helping people create massive, scalable growth. I'm not even saying you have to do this to make more money. I'm not saying you have to do this to, win some great prize or be the star performer like Oprah. What I'm saying is that I know that you probably have a really big mission. There's something inside of you that you know needs to get out there in a really big way. And if you stay stuck where you are right now, you know you will never feel satisfied in this world. And I want to help you unleash it. I want to help you make it, get out there. And I think it'd be pretty great if you generate that kind of income so you can experience the kind of lifestyle you've probably always dreamed about. So what do you say? I think you should check it out. I think the CEO Factor is for you. Check out the things below that I've written about what people have created and experienced when I've guided them through the CEO Factor process. Now, I'm not letting a lot of these systems loose. I think this is probably a pretty intense process that's meant for people like you, people who really want to play big, but they just don't know how to make that next leap. And if you scroll down to the bottom and you see some of the bonus resources that I'm including, I'm putting my time on the line here. And I only want to work with the people that really want to play big. So I'm going to give you a 30-minute consultation. We might even go a little bit longer because I want to make sure you put it into action. I'm going to get you a copy of the DVDs and all the audios and all of the exercises and the resources that I put together for my live retreat. I'll make sure you get all of that in your hands, and I'm going to show you how to implement it. And this is very limited, 40 people, and many of which of these seats are already gone, are going to join me at my next live retreat. Now, I wasn't sure I was going to do another one, but I am. Next year, in the spring, we are going to have another opportunity for you to put this into action live. It's not going to be the same. It's going to be better. It's going to be bigger, and it's going to be even more impactful because I'm going to show you how to be completely in alignment with your goals, your mission, your values, and what powers you, and put you into skyrocket mode so that you're tapping into some resources that most people don't even know are available to help you catapult your business and really fulfill this mission you have for yourself. So get ready. We're going to rock it, and I'm looking forward to working with you. So let's do it, all right?